What is up, guys? I wanted to tell you about this really cool ice cube tray. Now, the company sent me this over, and it's really gonna make you rethink the traditional ice cube tray. So it is very small, as you can see, so it's really gonna be easy to put this into your freezer. It's not gonna take up a whole lot of space. Now, we have the top here that comes off, and this is actually really useful, and I'll show you why here in just a second. Then we have actually two ice cube trays. So these easily come apart, so you can go ahead and fill them up, but we have two ice cube trays right here. And then we have a bottom tray, of course, that's going to house those ice cubes once they're done being frozen. And we get a little scoop to make, getting them out, putting them in your drinks a lot easier. Now let's go ahead and fill this up with water, and we'll show you why it's different from other ice cube trays. Filling these up is extremely easy, just like most ice trays. And then another thing to mention too is that it does come with a lid. So we can easily put the lid on here and close the entire thing up so it doesn't spill, so things don't get into our ice cube tray. So it's completely closed off, so now we can go ahead and put it in the freezer. So my ice cubes are now frozen, and like I said, we're gonna make use of this lid. So we have the lid here, and we have our ice cubes, and what we wanna do is try and take these apart if we can. Go. So we take these apart and then we flip them over, and normally with a normal ice tray you kind of bend this, but what this top does is it allows us to press down here and sort of pop everything out without having to bend it, which is really, really cool. So what this does is it has these little, sort of like little spikes here, and this allows you to press down on everything and get everything out. And for the most part, everything has come out. We have like two that are kind of stuck, and you can still bend this if you'd like to. So we have everything out of this one. Some of it got on here, but we'll go to the next one here. And again, same thing, just tip it over. And I'll actually put this like this so we don't get it everywhere. But again, you just press down, and everything sort of pops out nice and easily, which is really, really nice. And again, we have like three that didn't come out. We can bend this just a little bit, and they all pop out. And what's nice is the bottom of this is soft, so if there's one that doesn't pop out, you can just press on it with your finger as well. But you have everything. Like I said, I got kind of some over here. But then we have this nice tray here, that has all of our ice cubes in it. We can use the scoop here and we're good to go. It's just like a different way to think about, ice cube trays. And again, I can fill this all the way back up, and I can, be good to go and have more ice cubes ready to go just like that. So it's super simple, super easy. So if you're looking for a different type of ice tray, this is one that I would definitely recommend.